And sometimes you would be surfing internet using Google Chrome, you might come across this OSNAP error. So why not fix it? For that, go to your Google Chrome shortcut on desktop, right click it, go to properties, and here in the target text box after chrome.exe and double colon have a space, type in dash and no, again dash, sandbox, a space after chrome.exe and double colon a space, dash no dash sandbox, and click OK. Hope the problem will be solved. If the problem is not solved, we can have another method to solve the problem. For that, open your Google Chrome browser, go into settings like this, scroll down, click on advanced. This is new user interface of Google Chrome as it is the most updated version of Google Chrome. Here search for content setting tab, click on it, click on cookies, and here in front of block third party cookies tab, click here to keep it on. So it is on now. Hope the problem of OSNAP error will be solved. If that is not the case, comment below. I will try to address your problem. Please subscribe. Thank you.